Normally, four types of pelvises are there. The normal is gynecoid, other style abnormal we can say, and sometime if these types of pelvis are there, cesarean section will be the choice. So four types of pelvises, these are gynecoid, platypoid, android and anthropoid. Okay. When we see the features, in gynecoid, brim is rounded, while in android, brim will be heart-shaped, anthropoid, long oval, and platypoid, kidney-shaped. For pelvis, just before starting the pelvis, initial part of the pelvis, generous, means good space. Here it will be narrow, and it will be wide. Side walls in gynecoid, side walls are straight, while in android it is convergent, and in anthropoid it is divergent. Ischial spines are blunt in gynecoid, while prominent in android. Anthropoid and platypoid have again blunt ischial spines. When you see the sciatic notch is rounded in gynecoid, while narrow in android. Anthropoid and platypoid have wide sciatic notches. Subpubic angle, that's the angle below the symphysis pubis, is of 90 degree in gynecoid, less than 90 degree in android, more than 90 degree in anthropoid and platypoid. Then incidence means how much is the chances of finding the gynecoid pelvis in females.